how to create Scribie accounts, step-by-step guide. So all I have to do is just go to Google and then type in Scribie. When it comes, just go to the official site of Scribie and then it will bring you right here. Okay, so what I have to do is just scroll through the page. Okay, just go down, scroll through, and then you find this: join Scribie as a transcriber. Okay, so you are going to go through these steps. The first step is that you are going to sign up as a transcriber. You set up your PayPal account, then you take the transcription test. It's as simple as that. Okay, so just click on the get started. Okay, just click on it and it will bring you right here. Okay, so over here you can earn from $5 to $20. Okay, so just click on get started and then you are going to type in your first name, then you type in your last name, then you type in your email address. After that, you have to select your phone number from your country. Okay, because they are going to send you a code to verify it. So just go through, select your own personal phone number and then put it right here. We have all these countries that you can select from. Okay, so after selecting it, the next thing I have to do is to set a password, a strong password. I recommend. After setting it, then you have to confirm this password. The next thing is to choose the account type. So we are going to select a transcriber. Select it and then come and then check the box that you are not a robot. After that, you have to confirm that you have read their terms and conditions and then you want to receive updates as well. Then click on sign up. So let's do this once. Okay, check the box and then check the box as well to receive updates and then click on sign up. Then your account has been created. But you have to do some things first. Okay, when you look at the top right hand corner, you will see we have verify email. Okay, you have to click on it and then verify your email address. It is very necessary. So let's click on it, and then when you click on it, you will see that they have sent you a verification in your email. But all I have to do is just go to your email, click on it, and then it will verify. So let's do it. So let's go to your email, and then you will see they are saying that all I have to do is to click the link down below. As you can see down below, we have a link. Just click on it and let's click on it and then it will bring you right here. Thank you for verifying. But they will ask you, where did you hear from Scribie? Okay, so let's choose any of them. We have Google, Bing, from a friend, others. Just select anything. Mostly it's on YouTube, right? So let's select others and then click on the update. Then you'll be verified successfully. Okay, so over here you are done. So when you come to the page, you will see that we are good to go. All I have to do is to link your PayPal to it. If you want to know how to do this too, I am having a video on my channel. Check it and then continue with your Scribie job. Thank you for watching it. Just like it and then see you in my next video.